To clear browser history on Motorola Edge 50 Neo, first you will need to launch your browser, and probably it's gonna be Google Chrome, and I should have it somewhere around here. Here it is. And if you don't have Chrome browser, then the process is almost the same on any other browser. So all you have to do is click on a three dots or a settings button on your browser. Now navigate to the settings. Then look for privacy and security, and then delete browsing data. You can uncheck anything else that you don't want to remove and change the time range, which is very important. If you want to clear your entire browser, you can click on all time, then delete data to remove everything from your history. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.